blood, we be no more than friends. I value your life with all that is in me, more than my life or its too brief end. Earth humbled, sky wise, how it must hurt your heart when you look to the skies. Together we stand in a world not our own, skywise from the sky and me from my home. For too many seasons we've lived in this sand, with no deer and no trees to behold. I can hear the Holt call like a maid in my dreams, and a cry of pain howls from my soul. Wolf brother, let's ride to the land of sweet greenness where our fathers died. No sun people we, our hearts must run free. If I run to the sun, will you still follow me? When I finally have peace and my own family, how can discontent stir in my mind? Why do I want to run back to sad memories with the wolf and my friend at my side? My wolf blood runs high. Every night that the moon shows her face in the sky, this life was not meant for those made such as we. Run away with me, skywise, our homeland to see. I'll not stay still too long, for this is not my home. To a place far from here I must flee. I know you, friend, will come to that land of our own, to the Holt we were both loath to leave. Soul brother, skywise, let no one tie you down in your search for the sky. They can't tame a wolf's soul or set soft chains on me. Let us run from this safety and once more be free.